Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ritesh Ranjan. I am a student of BCA Course 5th Sem D48B3 in CIMAGE College, Patna. Today I am going to present here on the topic of accounting, self-balancing system, and cash flow. Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions to provide information that is useful in making business decisions. Only those transactions are recorded in accounting which are of a financial character. Classification is the process of grouping the transactions of one nature at one place in a separate account. Summarizing is the art of presenting the classified data in a manner which is understandable and useful to management and other users of such data. My next topic is self-balancing system. Self-balancing system is a system whereby separate trial balance can be taken out from each ledger. General ledger adjustment account will be maintained in each of the sales and bound ledger. It is the reverse of the total debtors account in the sales ledger and total creditors account in the bound ledger. The businessmen who have a large number of credit transactions generally adopt self-balancing ledger system. In this system, business maintains three additional ledgers apart from usual set of books of accounts. That is a debtors ledger, a creditors ledger, and a general ledger is maintained in which adjustment accounts are open. And my next topic is cash book. Cash book is a journal used to track the transactions between a business and its bank. There are three types of cash books: single column, double column, and triple column. Cash books are important because they allow businesses to track their finances in a detailed and organized way. It is to keep track of their finances to comply with the law. Thank you.